You are watching ARP Agri-Artist, present by agriculturist Maksuda Haq. Welcome to my channel. If you love flowering plants but your home doesn't get much sunlight, don't worry. In today's video, I'll share 10 beautiful indoor flower plants that grow and bloom. Even in low light or shaded corners of your home, let's get started. Number 1. Peace Lily, Spathiphyllum wallisi. This is one of the most popular indoor flowering plants. Peace. Lily produces elegant white blooms and grows well in low-light areas. Keep the soil slightly moist and wipe the leaves sometimes to keep them shiny. It also helps clean indoor air naturally. Number 2. Anthurium andreanum. Known as flamingo flower, Anthurium has shiny red or pink heart-shaped blooms. It prefers indirect light and humidity. Place it near a bright window, but away from direct sun. Perfect for bedrooms or living rooms. African violet, Sonpalia ionantha. African violet is a small plant that blooms almost all year. It comes in beautiful purple, pink, or white colors. It grows perfectly under fluorescent light, so you can even keep it in offices or windowless rooms. Begonia semperflorens. Begonias are colorful and easy to grow indoors. They bloom in red, pink, or white shades. Keep them in a bright corner with filtered light. Regular watering will keep the flowers fresh for weeks. Kalanchoe, scientific name, Kalanchoe blossfeldiana. This is a cheerful flowering succulent. It blooms in many colors and needs very little sunlight. Water once a week and enjoy its long-lasting flowers all year round. Christmas cactus, Schlumbergera brigisi. This unique cactus blooms during winter with pink, red, or white flowers. It grows best in bright, indirect light. Avoid overwatering and you'll see it bloom every festive season. Bromeliad, Bromeliaceae family. Bromeliads have colorful flower spikes that can last for months. They love humidity and low light. Perfect for bathrooms or shaded balconies to add a tropical look. Oxalis, Oxalis triangularis. Also known as purple shamrock, this plant has deep violet leaves and small white flowers. It can easily grow in low-light conditions and closes its leaves at night. A beautiful natural movement. Phalaenopsis orchid, Phalaenopsis spp. One of the easiest orchids for beginners. It grows beautifully in indirect sunlight, and the flowers can last up to 3 months. Just water it once a week and enjoy elegant blooms. Crown of thorns, Euphorbia mili. This hardy plant blooms almost all year with tiny, colorful flowers. It can survive in dry air and low light areas. Perfect for people who want a flowering plant that needs very little care. These were 10 easy and beautiful indoor flowering plants that grow even without sunlight. Which one is your favorite? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ARP Agri-Artist for more plant ideas and gardening tips. See you in the next video.